Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our tested series. Today, I've got a sweet USB-C microphone that's going to work with the Galaxy S9. Right now, I'm recording on the iPhone, so that way we're getting a comparison of how my voice sounds on the different devices. Alright friends, so sweet little USB-C mic. It does have a sweet cable. It has a awesome little wrap so that you can keep it all together when you're not actually using it. And as I said before, it plugs into USB-C. There's an awesome carrying pouch and also important things like a clip so you can attach it somewhere, and the cool little cover for the microphone. So let's attach the parts and let's compare the audio between this and when we're actually using it. This is actually an extra clip, so we can set it aside and we can just put on the little foam cover so that we're ready to roll. A little bit of noise suppression, twist tie removed, and it's time for an audio test. Alright friends, so as soon as you plug it in and then hit the record button, it actually says recording through the headset. So now we're using the microphone and I'm learning what is the correct voice to work with this microphone. Because as you probably learned before, too high, too low, you get things where it cuts out and it's just not really cool. So I'm going to test this. I will let you know that in the box there is a sweet little coupon for a $20 gift card. All you have to do is do a review on Amazon and send them a link showing them that you did it, and you've got a shot at getting a $20 gift card. The instructions are simple. They tell you to do a test to make sure if it works. If it doesn't work, make sure you have it all the way plugged in. Alrighty friends, so let's bring this all home using the Yeti. I am sitting at my PC now. I have listened to the audio quality with the little microphone that was using USB-C, and I am really pleased with it. Came in great to Camtasia, and it's slick as I'm building this video right here. If we look down at the specs real quick, professional grade lavalier lapel mic, omnidirectional, and it's USB-C, so it plugs into your phone just super slick. You can see here's a quick picture of it. Also the little microphone that I had to cover when we were first putting it together. Shows you how it does plug in, and it shows somebody using it. And last but not least, you've got the sweet little pouch that it can be stored in. So friends, I'm totally pleased. I mean, for 16 bucks, it is hard to beat a mic with this kind of quality, and it just plugs into your phone and you're ready to go. Friends, if you found it useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.